Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to open a PayPal account and add cash to it instantly. Now this tutorial will be very easy and straightforward, so let me show you how to do it. So yeah, obviously the first thing to do is to go to the PayPal website and then choose if you want a personal account or a business account. Now this step is very important even though you can choose the type of the account later in, but I advise you to choose this from the beginning. Are you doing personal transactions or are you doing business with this PayPal account? If you are doing personal transactions and little amounts of money are spent, basically, choose the personal account. And if you are doing business with your account, then choose business account. Now, the main difference between these two accounts is that the personal account, the transfers will be made as if it's for family and friends. So there are no refunds in this type of accounts. But if you do it on business account, you can refund the client and you can file a dispute with PayPal support to get a refund if you get scammed or if there is a problem between you and the client. So yeah, choose that from the beginning. It will make it easier for you in the next steps. Now you will have to sign up for PayPal with your email. So choose a fresh email, one where you don't have another PayPal account, and then you have to add your phone number. Click on next. After you have added your phone number, you will receive a code. So if you don't receive the code right away, wait like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, click on resend code and then enter the code that they will send you. And then here in the password, you'll have to create a password with 8 or more characters, and then you will have to add some letters, numbers, or symbols. Now, concerning the personal info, make sure it matches the official ID. So put in your nationality, your first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure it matches exactly your ID, whatever it is. It may be a passport, a driving license, or a national card. So just make sure that the informations are typed in properly. Now for the next step is to add your address. This is very important, especially if you have a business account. It is your billing address. So if there is any problem, they will send letters to you and that address, or if there is any shipping involved in your business, then they will send it to your address. Now here we go again to the step of personal account or business account. Now as you can see here, shop with PayPal, get started with how and where to shop online. So this is for the personal accounts. And about the shop and receive payments, this is for the business accounts. So here, when you shop and receive payments, you will be selling and buying things for your business. Now I will skip this because I want to add a payment method and I want to choose this later. And for the payment method, make sure that you use a new card that isn't linked to any PayPal account, and preferably a Visa or a MasterCard. And that's it basically. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.